How to pin your favorite Threads post to the top of your profile. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on Threads and want to highlight your favorite post, then first of all, open the Threads application or visit the Threads website and sign into your account. Once you're signed in from the home page of Threads, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner and it'll take you to your profile page. From here, go ahead and scroll through the post that you've made and go ahead and tap the three dots right above the post you want to pin to your profile. In the pop-up, click on Pin to Profile, and once you do that, the chosen post will be pinned at the top on your profile. If you want to remove the post later, you can open the same three dots and click on Unpin. So that's it. That's how you successfully pin your favorite post on Threads to the top of your profile. Pinning posts is a great way to showcase announcements, popular content, or important updates to anyone who visits your profile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.